Hey guys, now I'm back with a new video. Now I'm going to tell you about some basics of Abacus. This is a little long for the advanced student, so I don't recommend to buy this for the beginning. I will provide the link in the description box to buy the Abacus for the beginners. So let's get started. This is an Abacus. This is known as Abacus frame. Abacus frame, I repeated, this frame is known as Abacus frame. This bar is known as answering bar. So for example, let's clear out all the things. This is my housing point. I repeat, this is my housing point, a point at which we start counting. This is my ones place for this. So answering bar, if I touch this beat to here, then it is showing 1, otherwise it is nil or 0. It's known as answering bar. And these beats are known as earth beats as they contain the value of ones, whereas these beats is known as heaven beats. This contains the values of 5. As you can see, if I touch it down in the answering bar, so now in my abacus it is indicating a number 5, and these are the ones, hundreds, thousands in this abacus. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries regarding the basics of abacus, please comment me in the description box. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.